In this short video clip, I would like to show you how to develop the custom command in Smart Electrical. An example here is about to create the space heater for the motors in a batch mode. So currently in Smart Electrical you can select the motor, make a right click and create the new space heater. So system follows the naming convention to create the space heater tag. However, if you want to create the space heater for multiple motors, so there is no such an option. Okay, so therefore I developed the example of the custom command, just put it here, and that allows us to create the space heaters for the bench of the selected motors. So it works like this. So I can refresh the engineering data editor for heaters, right? It shows the basically four created heaters automatically, right? So you can apply this function to any selected item individually or to all of them. So you can make the selection either in the electrical index or electrical or engineering data editor. So let me repeat this example. I will delete all the heaters, and you can filter out your EDE for only motors, let's say with a 7.5 kilowatt, and to have the space heater created only for those two motors. So you apply the custom command. Okay, you can refresh the EDE for heaters, and observe that you have two heaters created. So when you refresh the electrical index, so you will see that only those two motors have the space heater created. Okay, so how did I develop this feature in Smart Electrical? So I use the automation layer. So I basically use the Visual Studio to develop some C# code. So let's overview this code. So first of all, when you created the application, so this application, let me show you in the properties. So that is a class library application. All right. So here you need to reference to the spell base command DLL that is delivered with the Smart Electrical version 10. So basically this enhancement is made in this Smart Electrical version 10. So you need to reference to the spell base command, and you need to create the references to the other spell API DLLs, okay, to enable the automation layer functionality in Smart Electrical. So then you create the public class with any name that you want, but you put the inheritance to the base command class. So then you need to define the override command ID like that, okay, and create the public override void class with the name run. So that method will enable you to apply for the selected items in the Smart Electrical. So and there are a few lines of the code. So first of all, you instantiate the LMA data source, so that gives you the access to the library of the Smart Electrical API. So then you define the collection of the selected items. So if you selected one motor, so if it will collect only one item. So if you select 5 motors, so it will collect 5 items. And then for each item in a loop, you will perform here you execute 4 lines of the code. So first line is you will create the heater. So the second line of the code, you will change the property of the heater space heater flag to be true to indicate that this is a space heater item in Smart Electrical. So then you need to associate selected motor with the new created heater. So with this line of code I use the workaround. So the API should support that relate command, but it doesn't work. So I use the workaround like this. Okay? And eventually you save the changes into the database. So at the end of the utility run, so you will this tool will display the completed message, the message with the status like completed. Okay, so once you compile this DLL, you need to copy it into the Smart Electrical home folder, and then after that you need to attach that DLL into the custom command menu. So I think you know how to do this. So from the right click on the top ribbon bar, you go to the menu, and here you can create the new custom commands menu using this add button. Then you can, in the categories, you go to the custom commands, and you find your DLL that you have compiled and put into the Smart Electrical home folder. So you can find it somewhere here. So custom create a space heater. So one click this button, place into the selected menu, and click add command, so that will add to the menu. So once you close it, you will see this custom command menu enabled. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.